Hello my friends, and welcome to our Semantic Manager training course. I am very happy to see you here, and together we will start learning one of the most and widely used PLC engineering tools in industry is the Siemens Semantic Manager. As I said before in our Yokogawa and our tier portal trainings, if you don't have the engineering tools like the Semantic Manager or tier portal or Yokogawa, you can make a request to our web page to tasco.az and write your request, and you will indicate which machine, which engineering tools you want to work, and we will provide you with a virtual machine with the Yokogawa or Semantic Manager, and also we feedback to you with the price and the hours per days and how long you can use your machine for your first time. And please visit the www.tas.co.az and make your request. And let me show you before we go forward. You open our web page, and here you can switch from the other language, from the English and Russian language, and here you write a request to our engineer, and we will provide you the machine on which we will install the engineering tools that you want to work with it. And now let me Now my friend, before we go forward, I want to explain you some parts of the Semantic Manager and also the hardware, I mean the PLC which used in this programming. And firstly, let me open the image, and here I was make some screenshot for you. And firstly, my friends, S7-300 is a modular PLC designed for the small and medium-sized automation system. The main component is it's a central processing unit, this one, and let me go to our, this image is more suitable for our lesson. And the power supply, this model is always first in our rack model. The next one is our central processing unit. Then we have the signal models. It's a digital and analog input and output models, and our we don't have it here, but we have also the CP. It's a communication processor, communication with the Profibus, with the industrial Ethernet and other networks, because some of the CPU is the central processing unit is too old, and if you want to make more the modern system, you must attach the communication processor in your rack. Our functional models, we also use the special models for positioning, for pit control and the signal processing, and our interface model, this one, for connect expansion models. And also, my friends, let's look at the biggest advantages of the S7-300, and it's applicable for another series of Siemens PLC. It's have a natural cooling. No cooling fans are required for this. AC expansion model can be added when the system grows. The mode selection switch, our switch between store plan and other programming operating modes. And built-in MPI interface used for programming, used for the diagnostics, and used for the, let me look here if we have or not. Yes, this one, this adapter used for connect for MPI TP interface of PLC, and you can write the program. But in this lesson we use the simulator, and I will show you how you switch your interface in your PC to communicate with the MPI or the simulator mode. And also some and many of the older PLC have the place for MMC card. It's a memory card, store the PLC program, because some of the old PLC don't have the loading memory and have the work memory, and about memory we will talk about in our future lessons. But also I want to say that this lesson is not theoretical, it's mostly practical, but we compare it and mix it with the theoretical lessons, because I think, and my friends, my engineer friends, that the programmer of PLC must know the hardware part and the software part, and also internal memory and central processing unit communication to write a complicated program and build a complicated system. And my friends, some people always ask why should we learn the semantic manager today and why it's still used. And many people think that because the tier portal exists, semantic manager no longer important. That's not true. In fact, thousands of industrial plants around the world are still operating with the Siemens S7 300, 400 semantic PCS7, and for example in our plant we have the steam turbine which use the semantic manager, and the company which built it created a very wonderful system, and it's operate exactly correctly for the 5 years. And where the semantic manager is still used in oil and gas plant, in power plant, in chemical and petrochemical plants. And why we should use it? Because as an automation engineer we often work not only with the new system but also with existing system, and also I want to add the core of all system. I mean the logic inside the PLC is the same for all PLCs. Sometimes they increase the memory or add some function, but the core system, if you understand the memory, if you understand the operation, if you understand the maintenance of one PLC, it means that you understand about the 60 or 70% of another PLC. So my friends, that's all for today, and I wish you the good health and good life. In the next lesson we have some theoretical lesson, about 5 or 6 lessons, and then we step by step go to our practical lessons. So my friends, see you in the next lesson. And I forgot to say subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Bye my friends, and see you in the next lesson.